it's time we take the crown. Right back from all the ones who went out of the way every time to break us down.
A night where we witness the greatest cruiserweights known throughout the world and an amped up WWE Universe to match. Ladies and gentlemen, this is 205 Live. Oh, what now?
With him, you know this is going to be good.
This could honestly be about a few things. Let's find out.
Because I don't care about you. Because I don't care about you. Bitch! Sorry, with the dock, my mighty ball will crush you. When I come, the reckoning begins, your resistance. A case for the balance sheet. Final warning, I merge the ring chancellor.
Not feeling the love for that superstar. Just a bully. Poking the bear.
Confidence is good. Arrogance is not. Walking a fine line there.
If that doesn't get you fired up, I don't know what will. That makes me want to climb in the ring with him. Now that's how you promote a bout.